Welcome to Fun Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Hey guys, it's Lucy from Fun Keys. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a treble clef, which is what you can see on my screen here. This swirly symbol. Now the treble clef tells us which hand to play on the piano. Do you know which hand it is? It is our right hand. So you can tell where you need to put the treble clef from by looking at your piano. If everybody finds middle C, and you do a glissando from middle C all the way to the top of the piano, that is the whole of the treble clef. From the other way down towards the bottom of the piano, that is all the bass clef, which we'll do in another video. But for now, we're looking at the treble clef. Now, the treble clef is a very, very confusing looking symbol. But once you've got the gist of it, it is super duper easy. So to start, you're going to need to draw 5 lines, or the stave as we call it. 5 horizontal lines going across your music. If you have some manuscript paper, perfect. If you have some blank paper, just draw those 5 lines. And if you have some lined paper, that's just as good. So I've got my 5 lines and I've already drawn a treble clef. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the second line of the stave and you're going to draw a dot, just like that. That's so you know where you've started. From there, you're going to do a sort of weird looking 9 shape. So you're going to swirl it round all the way up to the 3rd line and down to the 1st line like that. So it's the start of a 9. But instead of stopping there, we're going to continue and swirl out back up to the 3rd line. So it kind of looks like a very badly drawn number 6 by the time we get up to the 4th line here. Can you see? Number 6, but it doesn't quite meet. Once you get up to the 4th line, you're going to keep going, swirl up to the 5th line, over the top, and then you're going to go straight through the middle and do a big flick at the end. Then you're going to do a little dot, just so you know you finished. Easy peasy. Let's do it again. Are you ready? So start by drawing a dot and a very badly drawn number 9. Don't join it up in the middle. Go all the way down to the bottom line. Keep going as if you're trying to draw a number 6 up to the 4th line. Keep going to the 5th line and over the top of the stave, then back down through the middle and then a flick to finish. There you are. Let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. Okay, dot to start. Swirl it around to create a very badly drawn number 9. Keep going all the way up. Number 6, up to the 5th line, over the top, down through the middle, flick, and dot to finish. There you go. Did you do it? If not, keep practicing. You can pause, rewind this video and practice however you'd like. Or if you want to as well, you can get your pencil and trace it as I draw it around the screen. So try that if you want to. Really good work though. If you managed to do it, well done. If not, that's okay. Keep practicing. Let's do one more together. I'm going to rub out my drawings. Let's start again. Ready? Super quick this time. Dot. Number 9. Round up to the 4th line, number 6, 5th, over the top, down through the middle, flick to finish with a dot. There you are. There's your treble clef. Enjoy, good luck, and keep practicing. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Well done, guys. See you later.
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our funky splash cards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.